Hello guys, welcome to this video section. My name is Olusun Ahmed, and in this video section I'm going to be walking you through how you can start web scraping or mining business and start making passive income online. And if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, can you do something? Can you click on the bell icon, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you get notified once I drop new videos. Now, what is web scraping? Now you see so many sites, forum sites, directory sites, any other site. People wants to get data from it, B2B, consumers list, or any other list. Now, why web scraping? No, we know that running advert is very expensive. All right, if you want to run advert and get targeted email list, it's very expensive. That is why email marketing is considered the most cheapest and oldest form of marketing and still evergreen and still working up to today. Now, the reason why we are mining data is to get either email list or get phone numbers of businesses or of customers. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start this web scraping business and you can mine data from any website, any pages whatsoever, depending on your client's interest or your client's specification. What can you mine? You can mine emails, you can mine contact addresses, you can mine phone numbers, you can mine e-commerce website, categories, pages, images, any other thing. All right, depending on what your client wants or what you really want to sell. Now, let's dive into it, guys. So I'll be using this website as an example, which is finelib.com. You can see finelib.com is a Nigerian directory and search engine. Let's say you want to start selling B2B email database lists, all right? According to state, according to categories, industries, and everything, you want to start selling to people, or even though you want to even use it yourself and start promoting your services, your businesses without ever buying email list again. This is how you can start your own mining business and never buy email list again. Now, do you know that these businesses that are here on this category, they are real businesses that have registered and they have been verified and they have their data here, and you can mine them, you can scrape them, all right, if you want to start doing business in there. Now, let's say you want to, let's say something. Let me click on Lagos. Let me click on Lagos and say maybe you want to do, let's say, business, find businesses. All right. So let's say you can see the list of business. Let me say security services. Security services. Let's say we want to start now. Let's say we want to mine and you want to start collecting their email addresses. All right, email addresses and everything. All right. You can see they are verified. Now, let's say you want to start writing. Do you know that? Let's see how many pages is this. You can see that there are a whole lot of pages here. You can see next. Let me say number 3. So there are a whole lot of pages here. So I think these 3 pages here. See, there are a whole lot of pages here. So this under security services alone. All right. If I want to say, okay, if you want to start writing here, you can see maybe you have written their name, you wrote their numbers. So you want to write their emails, so you go to more info. So once you go to more info, you see some of their emails here. Where is it? Some will put their email, some won't put their email. Okay, this one didn't put his email. All right. So let's see another one. Let's see this person. So you can see they have their email here. So how can you do this so that you can provide, you can get thousands and thousands of data that you can sell. Now, all you need to do is just come to home. All right, come to home, and what you need to do is just search for, okay, let me say you want to start selling. People are asking for real estate companies. All right, real estate companies. So you can just go to businesses. All right, go to businesses, maybe real estate companies in Lagos or in Nigeria. Let's see, this is retail services, this real estate. So I'll click on real estate. Now I'll just want, you can see these are real estate companies. So it might be in Nigeria. All right, this might be in Nigeria. So and real estate, you can click on Lagos if you want Lagos own. but let me just use this as an example so that we can have more and more data. You can see they are, I think they have let me see next page. So I want, okay, they have like 2 pages here. So let's see the ones that have several pages. Let me even go to home. All right, so let me just see. Okay, I want businesses on, maybe they're into manufacturing, or they're into businesses or manufacturers, or list of manufacturers in Nigeria. So Nigerian manufacturers. So I don't want to go to different categories. You can see that there are different categories here. Let me say your client, or even your client, wants chemical manufacturers in Lagos or chemical manufacturers in Nigeria and their contacts. You can come here and scrape. But let me use this as an example. Let me use all manufacturing companies in Nigeria as an example. Right? So I want the one that have a lot of data. Okay, let me just come here, home. Let me just search for okay, let's say secondary schools. Let me say secondary schools. All right. Okay, let me just say real estates. Real estates. All right. So these are real estate companies. This is what I'm looking for. You can see now that they have so many pages. So these are real estate companies in Nigeria. All right, in Nigeria. So if you click on this person, there, this Federal Housing Authority, let's see if they have emails. So you can see they have emails here, they have numbers. So how can you start scraping all this page by page? You can see you need to what, start clicking each and every of these business to start getting their numbers. Now that is why I'm going to introduce you to web scraping, so that you can scrape all these data and start selling or use it personally for yourself. And this is an educative video. I don't mean you to start using this to perpetrate evil or perpetrate unethical acts. All right, so let's get started now. So I'm going to be using a software that will do this job for us. All right, so this software is an advanced and highly technical software, but it's very, very simple to use. So before that, I will just copy this this link, because this is what I'm going to use in the software. I'm going to copy this link. All right, so I'm going to go to the software. So this is the software. So I'm going to paste the link here. Because this software, it has its own browser that you can use to extract any site. So this is the URL. I'll just click on enter. You can see to load up that URL. You can see it has loaded up that exact page that we are in. You can see here. You can see that it has loaded this exact page that we are in. You can see. Now, how do we start scraping this? All right, how do you start scraping? Right, if you can see this here, you can see that this is the name of the company name. So once you click on the company name, you are going to see the address here, their phone numbers, their website, their email, the description, what they do. You can even scrape them. You can scrape their working hours. All right, you can even scrape their working hours. You can scrape their working hours. You can scrape their reviews, anything that you want to do. All right, you can do it. And let's get started and let's see how this software works. Now, to do this software, so there is something we call configuration, and this software so I'm going to be leaving a full description in the a link in the description to get the software and how to use this software, the video and everything. So let's click on start. So now once you click on start, you can see that it's highlighting, so it's waiting for you to start work. Now this is the first thing. I'm going to click on this Federal Housing Authority. This is the name. If you ask me, what do I want to do? I want to capture this text, and I will name this text as what? Company name. All right, so I'll name this as company name. You can see that it has started extracting this now. How do I want to extract their phone numbers, their website, and everything from here? Now, how do I do that? I'll just click on here. Okay, I'll just click on there. I'll just click on follow this link. It will go to the page. You go to the page. You can see this is the page, right? So once it loads up, so this is the address here. I'll just click on this. I'll just name this as what? Address of the company. Okay, then this is a phone number. All right, I need maybe this first one. So capture text. So I'm going to put phone number. I'll click on what? Okay, then this is their website. I'll click on this capture text. All right, so I'll click on okay, let me just do this. Capture target URL. I'll just name this as websites. So and this is email. I'll click on this email. So I'll just name it as, okay, this is captured email address. So I'll just name it as email address. All right, email address. So you can see, so let me just change this. Okay, let me just change this. Let me delete this email address here. So let me just choose it as capture text email address. I'll click on OK. Then what do I want to do again? What do I want to extract again? All right, maybe description, what they do. All right, so I'll just click on here. Maybe about the company, about the company. And also, if you want to sell this data, customers can ask you to provide their source link, like the source where you get this information from. All right, okay, let me say this working hours. So I'll just cast over the working hours. You can see how I'm doing this working hours. Then I want to capture the source of this data, so that once I'm selling, or yes, I can know that this is from a legitimate source. So this is verified. All right, it is verified, so I don't need to capture it. So I'm going to go back here. So I'm going to go back. Let me go back to the previous. So I'm going to click on this place. All right, so I'm going to capture target URL. All right, I'll just say source link. All right, source link. So if you can scroll here, you can see that we have this source link here. You can see it's source link. So it has started. It has not started yet. Then what have you? So now we need to know, because if this mining starts, you can see it won't go to the next page. All right, you need to control it for you to go to the next page. How can you do that? So what I'm going to do here is just click on this next. I'll click on set as next page. That is all. And after that, just stop the stuff and click on start mining, and you see the magic. All right, start mining. So if you click on start mining, it will bring you this box. All right, it will bring you this box, and make sure you tick auto scroll above table and mine all pages. I want to mine all pages, and you can leave this. If you have an AuDP, you can even install this software on AuDP and just forget it there. When you have a software that you know that you can leave maybe from morning to night, fine. You can start mining, and it will mine all the data from this website, everything completely. It will mine everything. The category that you have said, the real estate, will mine everything. If it is like 10,000, it will mine everything for you. Their email, everything for you. So what you need to do is just click on. But if you want to mine certain pages, just untick this and click on how many pages you want to mine. Maybe you want to mine 20 pages. Just put 20 here. But I want to mine all pages. I'll just click on start, and the beast will start up now. You can see this. Now it will start. You can see this company name, address, phone number, website, email address, about, working hours, source link. You can see that this guy has started extracting. You can see that it has started extracting. You can see their name, address, phone number. The reason why I said you should do auto scroll is that you can see that the way it is extracting, it is scrolling up, so that you can see what is below. That is the function of the auto scroll. But if you do not do that, you need to be scrolling up yourself and be seeing where gets to, the number it gets to. All right, so you can see this, right? You can see their name, address, phone number, website, email address, about the company. You can see about the company, working hours, this is the source link. All right, so this is, you can see their email address. I have this, you can see them, you can see. So if you should wait 3 hours, 2 hours, it will scrape thousands and thousands of emails from this website. All right, so this is how you can start your scaling business. Now you can now sell these services. I will show you a site where people are making a lot of money selling these scraped emails. All right, the scraping emails, where people can sell. You can sell the data, you can sell from any site, and the beauty of it is that you are not the one to give your client the site. The client will tell you, please can you help me scrape from this site. He will tell you, I need the phone number, I need the email, I need the phone, I need the address, working hours, reviews, and everything. All right, so it is your job to now go over what I've done now and start scraping. Now I'm going to stop this for now. All right, I'm going to stop it, and let's see if I can do one more website. All right, so that you can know how this thing really works. So I'm going to stop this. So once you stop this, it will now ask you, do you want to export? Click on export. Are you exporting as a file, or you are exporting to a database? All right, you can even export to a database. Right, you can export to a database or export as a file. I'll click export as a file. So you can save it to your file, and you just click on export. That's all you need to do for this software. All right, so I'm going to go for another website. So I think that website, let's see if I can see the website. So I think I saw this website also, nigeriagalleria.com/directlist. You can see that this site has over 116,429 businesses in them. You can see they have the pages are 11,643 pages. So I'm going to copy this website. I'm going to come to the software again. All right, so I'm going to paste this to the software. I'll click on enter. So the same way, you can see it has loaded it up. So the same way I'm going to now, before you do anything, so make sure you check this main one first to see if this first one has email addresses or phone numbers. So if you click on this more, you can see that okay, they have direction website, but they don't have emails here. This one doesn't have. So you find the one that has email first. So let's go to this person here. Okay, this person has email. You can see this email here. So visit websites. You can see the link of the website here by the left hand corner here. If you see left hand corner, bottom left hand corner, if I hover over this visit website, you can see their website. Now I'm going to scrape all this too. All right, I'm going to scrape all this. All right, now how do I do that? The same way, you should come to the website. All right, so I'm going to do clear. I'm going to clear the last configuration. I'm going to clear it. All right, so let me just do it again. So now what I will do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to start it. So because I don't want this one because it doesn't have email, I'll start with this person. So once I do this, I'll click on this person. I'll name it company name. So let's say this is for the client, and the client is paying $50. You can see you are just having $50 for free. So this is the company name. Then this is the address, and this is their phone number. So let me even go to more section and see. Okay, let me see. Phone number is here. Okay, let me just put this. So I'll capture this as address. I'll click on OK. Then I'll capture this as phone number. I'll click on what? OK. Then industry here. This one is very, very important. Industry type. Because this one is payment processing. This one is ICT solution. So we need, and don't worry, this software is going to categorize everything into it's going to label it according to the industry. Payment processing, I'll just go to industry type. industry type, okay. Then I'm going to go to and check their emails. So I'll click on this first one. I'll click on follow this link. So it will go to that website. So it will go over here. So direction, this is the address. So websites, I'm just going to click on this. So follow this link. So I don't want to follow. I just say capture target URL. Capture target URL as websites. Okay, so you can see it has captured the website here. So I'm going to click on this also. So capture email address, okay. So this is the email address. So now everything is done. So everything is done now, so I don't need anything. All right, so I'm going to go back to the first place here. So I'm going to stop this. Once I stop this, I'll just click on start mining. All right, start mining. So now, yes, the reason why this is not yet is even good. The reason why it's not bringing this mining up is that I didn't select the next page link, because it's going to scrape only this just one page. All right, so if I want it to scrape all other pages, so what I'm going to do is, you cannot do again. If you say start, you need to save it. We would like to save the last configuration. So I'm going to save the last configuration as I'll replace it. All right, so I've saved it. So I will stop this. So once I stop this, I'll come to home. Then I will open this again. So it will tell you start mining or edit configuration. It will now take you back to the original page. All right, it will take you back to the original page. You can see it will take you back to the original page, so you can start. You can do whatever you want to do again. So I'm going to scroll down also, and I can pick this second page as the next page. I can even use this arrow. I'll just click on this arrow. I'll set it as next page, and that is all I need to do. All right, so once I do that, I'll stop it. I'll click on start mining. All right, start mining, and you can see that it has showed up. I'll click on mine all pages. I'll click on start. So you can see that it will start populating, start scraping those details for us. All right, and you can see now. So you can see, boom. So it will start scraping main website, main email addresses. Don't worry, you can see the email address. All right, so you can see the email address. You can see it started scraping. So if you leave this for like 2 hours or 3 hours, you cannot exhaust this. Now let's move on to how you can even sell this data. All right, maybe for business. So you need to go to this website called Fiverr.com. In Fiverr.com, if you search for web scraping, just search for web scraping, you can put up, and web scraping is one of the hottest selling niche in Fiverr. All right, so you can see that, you can see this person, you can see this 1000 plus, you can see this person 429, 48, 310 reviews. You can see 1000, you can see 447, 282. You can see that everybody here, they have customers. Everybody, you can see 43, 522 reviews, 977. You can see 749. So you can see that all people here as, so let me even do seller details. Let me see category. Okay, let's see level 1. Let's see, okay, let's say new seller. Let's see new seller for this person, for this job. Let's see new seller. Web script for new seller. You can see this person is a new seller. He has 18 reviews already. This person is a new seller. Okay, this web scraping, you can see this person has 10 already. All right, 10. So this one, you can see I will do web scraping. This person is a new user, 23. You can see this person just joined, and you can see this person 511. This level 2, this level 1. So if I want to choose only level 1 for web scraping, So you can see it's a new seller. So let's see data scraping. So I will create web scraping. I will do no. So you want to scrape web scraping services. You can see this person. Let's see this person's information. So now once you can see this person say he's going to scrape 100 pages, formatting and cleanup. Now I will scrape 100 records, rows. You can see standard 5,000, that's $50. Two sources, 5,000 pages script. You can see now you say this person is scraping 5,000 pages, and we have how many pages in this listing? We have let's go to that page. How many pages do you have? This person is scraping 5,000, and we have 11,000 plus there. You can see that is a good deal. That's $50. Then go to premium. You can see 10,000 records. It's going to do for $80. You can see this, and you can see that he has, I think he has reviews. So let's see if he has reviews. So I think 15 reviews. Great provider and extremely quick and fast and easy communication and work delivered. Okay, you can see that this person is a new seller. Alright, so it's a new seller. So this is how you can start your web scraping business now. If you want this software, you can see this software is still working. You can see email addresses and everything. Then at the end of the day, this guy that is saying he wants to do cleanup. So it means all these email addresses, all these places that they don't have email addresses, you need to clean them up. Alright, you can use Excel to do that. So once you load them into the Excel, you can just filter those ones that contains blank email addresses and just filter them off, and we save only those that has email addresses. That is all. Then you have cleaned it up. So you just provide this data for your client, guys, and you start making cool passive income online. Alright, people want the data scraping. Use that phone number, you can sell this list and everything. You can use it for yourself to promote your business. If this interests you, and if you really want to get the software, click on the link below to get the software and start making money while scraping data. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my subsequent video. Till then, my name is Ahmed. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my subsequent videos.